Hi children, today we are going to start our politics chapter. Our chapter name is Federalism. Okay, chapter 2, chapter name Federalism. Okay, so our first topic, what is Federalism? You heard about Federalism children. What is Federalism? Federalism is a system of government in which the power is divided between the central authority and various constituent units of the country. In simple way, we can tell that federalism is a system of government which the power is shared between central government and state government. Okay, so what is federalism? Federalism is a system of government in which the power is divided between a central authority and various constituent unit of the country. Okay, so federalism has two levels of government. So which are the two levels of government? Central government and state government. So federalism has two levels of government, central government and state government. So one government is responsible for the entire country. One is the government responsible for entire country, and that is usually responsible for a few subjects of common national interest. Okay. Second one, the government at the levels of provinces or state look after the day-to-day activity or day-to-day administration of their state. Okay, in simple way I told you two levels of government. One is the government at national level, that is central government, and second one I told you the government levels of provinces or state who will look after the day-to-day administration of the state, that is state government. So from these you can conclude that in a federalism two levels of government will be the central government and state government. Okay children, now we studied about a federal system, okay, or federal government. Another type of government, that is unitary form of government. Unitary form of government. So what is unitary form of government? In unitary form of government, either one level of government will be there. Either one level of government or subunits are there, and they will be subordinate to the central government. Either one level of government or subunits are there, and these government must be subordinate to the central government. Such types of government is known as unitary form of government. One form of government will be there. Okay, central government or the union government must be there. So such type of government is known as unitary form of government, and the central government can pass any order to the state government. In unitary form of government, central government can pass order to the state government or the local government. So such type of government is known as unitary form of government. But what about federal system? Under federal system, central government cannot order to the state government or to do something. Okay, central government can't give order to the state government for doing something, and state government has power its own. State government has its own power, and state government is not answerable to the central government. Okay, both these governments are separately answerable to the people. So this type of government system is known as federal system. Okay, so children, India is an example for quasi-federal country, because in India central government is more powerful than state government. Okay, central government can give order to the state government regarding some matters. So we can tell that India is not fully a federal country. India is an example for quasi-federal country. I think you understood. Now we are going to discuss what are the important key features of federalism. So first point, I already told you the first feature in federalism, there are two or more than two levels of government are there. So there are two or more than two or more levels of government are there in federalism. That is the first feature, key feature of federalism. So once again I will tell you, there are two or more levels of government are there in federalism. Second one, different tiers of government govern the same citizen. Two levels of government are there, I told you, and different tiers, these two levels of government will govern or rule the same citizen, okay, but each tiers has its own jurisdiction in the specific matters of legislation, taxation and administration, but each level have their own, each tier have their own jurisdiction. Jurisdiction means, children, geographical boundaries, okay, both state government and central government have their own jurisdiction or geographical boundary or the area over which someone has legal authority. So both jurisdiction is specified in which in the matters of legislation, taxation, administration, that everything that is specified. That is another important feature. So second one, different tiers of government govern the same citizen, but each tier has its own jurisdiction. Third one, the jurisdiction of the respective levels of or tiers of government are specified in the constitution. So what about the jurisdiction, or what about the administrative boundary or geographical boundary that is specified in the constitution? What are the jurisdiction of central government, or what are the jurisdiction of state government, that everything mentioned in the constitution. So third one, what I told, children, the jurisdiction of the respective levels or tiers of the government are specified in the constitution, okay. So each authority, so the existence and authority of each tier of government is constitutionally guaranteed. So jurisdiction of each level, that is specified in the constitution. That is the third point. Fourth one, the fundamental provisions of the constitution cannot be changed unilaterally. So children, whatever the fundamental provisions given in the constitution, that cannot change unilaterally. Unilaterally means central government or state government can't alone change the fundamental provisions given in the constitution. So I think you got. Next one, court have the power to interpret the constitution and the power of different levels of government. So regarding the matter or the power of different levels of government, who has the power to interpret the constitution? Court. Court has the power to interpret the constitution and the powers of different levels of government. Or we can tell if any problem or any conflict started in between state government and central government, that time also court have the power. The highest courts like Supreme Court and High Court only have the power to solve this type of issues at the different level. That is another one. Next one, the sources of revenue for each level of government are clearly specified in the financial autonomy. So which all are the main sources of revenue by the central government, or which are the sources of revenue by the state government, that is specified clearly to ensure financial autonomy. That is the next point. Then last one, federal system has dual objective. Federal system has dual objective. One is safeguard and promote the unity of the country, and second one, accommodate regional diversity. Accommodate regional diversity. So these are the key features of federalism. So once again ma'am will tell you, first one what I told, there are two or more levels of government. That is first one. Different tiers of government govern the same citizen, but each tiers has their own jurisdiction. Third one, the jurisdiction of the respective levels of government are specified in the constitution. Then the fundamental provisions of the constitution cannot change unilaterally. Okay. Next one, court have the power. Court has the power to interpret the constitution and the powers of different levels of government. Last one, the sources of revenue. Regarding the sources of revenue for each level, that is specified to ensure financial autonomy. Specified by the government clearly to ensure financial autonomy. And last one, federal system has dual objective. What are the dual objective? One is promote unity of the country. Unity of the country. Second one, accommodate regional diversity. Accommodate regional diversity means, you know children, diversity we can found everywhere. So different types of regional, in regions also different types of diversity people, different types of people living. So to accommodate all this type of regional diversity, that is the objective, one of the objective of federalism. Okay, so these are the main objective or the key features of federalism. I think children you got. Next our topic, two types of federalism. Which are the two types of federalism? Two types of federalisms are coming together federation and holding together federation. Coming together federation or coming together federalism and holding together federalism. Holding together federation. These are the two types of federalism, coming together federalism or holding together federalism. So let us discuss what is coming together federalism. In coming together federalism, all the independent states coming together on their own to form a bigger unit. So what is coming together federalism? All the independent states coming together on their own to form a bigger unit. That is known as coming together federalism. Okay, we can tell example USA, Switzerland, Australia is an example for coming together federalism. So what ma'am told, all the independent state coming together, independent state coming together their own to form a bigger unit, that is called coming together federalism. Okay, example ma'am told, coming together federalism, USA, Switzerland, Australia. USA, Switzerland, Australia is an example for coming together federalism. These all countries example for coming together federalism. What is coming together federalism? All the independent states coming together on their own to form a bigger unit. That is called coming together federalism. Okay. In this category, all the constituent states usually have equal power. All the states, ma'am told, no, independent states coming together and to become bigger unit. In such type of federation, all the constituent states usually have equal power. Okay, all the states usually have equal power. Okay, next one, holding together federalism. What is holding together federalism? Large countries decide to divide the power between a constituent state and a national government. That is known as holding together federalism. So what is holding together federalism? Large countries, they will decide to divide the power between states and national government, state and central government. That is known as holding together federalism. So once again ma'am will tell you what is holding together federalism. Large countries decide to divide its power between the constituent states and national government. Such types of federation are known as holding together federation. For example, India, Spain, Belgium are example for this category, holding together federalism. India, Spain, Belgium. India, Spain, Belgium are example for holding together federalism. So you know here, you know large country, India, Spain and all large country, what they are, here doing, dividing the power. Okay, divided its power between state government and central government. So such type of federalism is called holding together federalism. Okay, in second category, central government tends to be more powerful than state government. In this category, I told this category, all the state they have equal power, because independent states coming together and to form their own and form a bigger unit. That is coming together federation. Here all the state that have equal power, but in the second category we can tell that who will be more powerful. Central government tends to be more powerful than state government. Understood, children? So you know, in India, state government or central government, who is more powerful? Central government. Okay, so that is holding together federation. I think you understood. So today we mainly studied about what is federalism, what is unitary form of government. Then ma'am taught you about what are the key features of federalism and types of federalism, coming together federalism and holding together federalism. I think today's topic is clear to you. If you have any doubt, ask me. We will meet in the next class.